Hello there. My name is Jose Vega. I have been with the Digital Workshop Center since September of 2021. Since 2019, I have been teaching adult computer skills, both in Spanish and English, here in the Austin area in Texas. Before that, I spent about 28 years in the software development industry, focusing on retail software, specifically cash registers. If you have been to a shopping or to a store in the last couple of weeks, chances are that you visited one of my customers, and I'm hoping you had a good experience at the cash register. I have a bachelor's degree in software engineering from the University of Puerto Rico, where I'm from. I also have a master's degree in computer engineering from the University of Michigan, Go Blue. I love teaching both in the classroom and remote. I have taught all over the place. Um, at last count, I visited 5 continents teaching software developers, but lately I've been sticking to home. Even though I have so many years of software experience, you'll be surprised how much we learn in every class. There's always something new to learn. Our goal for your class is going to be to help you improve on your software skills, on your tools, your digital skills, and we're going to get you to practice, 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 and answer as many questions as you have. We at Digital Workshop Center are here to help. So please reach out if you have any questions, any concerns, anything we can do to help. We're here at your service. I'm looking forward to meeting you virtually soon and see you in class.